Hazel, and I'm going to start the presentation of today by presenting you some data that will contextualize our project. First, I want to tell you that Spanish is the fourth most spoken language in the world, and around 530 million people in the world speak it. Also, there are some important trends that we should keep in mind in order to understand why our project is important. For example, Duolingo, the mobile application company, states that Spanish is the first most learned language in around 32 countries, and also is the second most learned language in 57 countries. So there is a huge interest around the world regarding the language, not only by native speakers, but also people that want to learn it. Okay? So let me ask you a question. What's the first thing you think about when you hear the word or the words Spanish language media? Okay, do you have an idea? Maybe if you live in Latin America or Spain, you might think about your local news network or some TV show. However, if you live outside the Spanish-speaking world, you might think about only one thing, and that thing is novelas or soap operas. Olga Segura, a journalist for America magazine, states the following regarding her opinion about telenovelas. For immigrants like my parents who arrived in the United States with nothing, telenovelas allowed them to feel connected to their countries, cultures, so that they left behind. So we can conclude that Spanish-speaking media is crucial for immigrants because it's very helpful to connect with their homeland through watching this series with families. But there are also some problems that arises with this, with how centric telenovelas are outside the Americas. First, most foreigners do not like and do not understand current mainstream shows made in Spanish. For example, let's see this quote extracted from a BuzzFeed video titled "Americans Watch Novelas for the First Time." Everyone just cries and yells and screams, and they just keep doing close-ups to everybody's faces. So, what this means is that there is already a preconception and some stereotypes regarding novelas and how they could be interpreted and perceived as poor quality, exaggerated, and other kind of things. However, this doesn't mean that there is no place to improvement. On the contrary. But there is also some very important things to deal with in order to solve this problem. For example, we can see in the picture you see in this word that was extracted from the same video of BuzzFeed that the girl that made the quote that we just mentioned made this mimic of a dramatic head spin that is classic in Mexican telenovelas, and it is of course make it to look funny. However, it really makes us think that we should do something about it, because as Hispanics or as people from Latin America, we do not feel proud about this. Also, specifically as Peruvians, we don't like to be just that our country is immediately linked with someone like Señorita, with some TV show like Señorita Laura, to other Hispanic countries. So we would like to solve that problem.
I will talk about the body map of the group of segments. The first one is Spanish native speaker, the second one is Spanish native no speaker. The first one, they hear the people speak very fast, and I don't understand very well the jokes that they make on TV. think everything seems so strange to me. The culture of this country is so different, and I miss my country, I miss my family, and I miss my fields and my programs. See, I watch many TV series, I watch many channels, I watch many fields, but I don't like anyone. I say to my family that I want to come back to Peru, and I ask to a neighbor if they are a platform that contains channels of Peru. Once, I want my TV programs I don't feel at home. I search on internet the chapters of my TV programs. Empathy map of Spanish non-native speaker. Then here, when I hear that the best way of learning a new language is hear a Spanish speaker or Spanish native speaker. Then I would like learn a new language or learn Spanish language, but I don't have the opportunity to take classes. So I am looking for a new platform with good information on Spanish. See, when I see field on my native language. When I speak with my Spanish friends, they don't understand me the words that I say. I want a platform with Spanish content. I feel very frustrated when I speak with my Spanish friends because they don't understand me. I will search on the internet with Spanish content. That just novel, we are entertainment, we are exotic places, we are people, we are food, etc. Current media production in Latin America is shifting toward diversity and quality.
Hi, my name is Maggie Mamani. Let's move to the Loom canvas and let's see what problem we have found. The main problem we have found there is that there is no streaming service centered on Spanish language. There is no exclusively content made in Spanish language. So we want to focus on that. We want to create a platform that offers content made in Spanish language. Not only movies, but also TV shows, documentaries, series, where we can share the Spanish in different Latin American countries and in Spain. Our key customer segment is people from 18 to 60 years old that speak Spanish as their native language, but they live abroad in other countries. So they cannot enjoy the TV show from their home countries easily. In my case, I live in the United States currently, and I cannot watch movies or series that is nowadays produced in my home country. So if I want to look for them, I may not be able to do it. So as my case, there are many people from Peru that live abroad and they want to join the TV shows or movies that are made in their home countries. Another customer segment that we have found is people that are from foreign countries, but they want to learn about Spanish. They are willing to invest their time and their money to improve their Spanish speaking and listening. So this is another customer segment that we have discovered and that we also want to focus on. One of our unique value proposition is that we will be connecting people with their home countries, with TV shows, with videos, with documentaries that was made in their home countries, in their own native language, which is Spanish. And the channels that we will use to share about this content is YouTube advertisement and social networks. We believe that those are key so people can use those platforms can find our project and can try a free trial and then join a membership with us. And that's why we will invest and we will have as metrics, one of the main ones is that number of paid memberships after the free trial. How many people will keep with our platform, will keep joining Spanish content. And we are able to have customer acquisition cost on $140 per each one, right? So we are offering also as a revenue three plans: the basic, the standard, and the premium for our customers. The first one will be $8.99, the second $11.99 per month, and the third one will be $13.99 per month. So we still believe that we can keep this project up. We will still investing on this probably the next 5 years in order to succeed and to gain more popularity between our users. So thank you for watching and for listening about our project. We are willing to hear your recommendations and suggestions to this project. And see you next time.